Festival in a city famous for being the most multicultural in Britain, it must often be tricky for comedians to raise a laugh without offending somebody in a Leicester audience. As we all know too well, are some topics too sacred for comedy. Kola-san, Kola again. We still makes a joke about God or whatever. Clearly, God is bigger. Surely it's only offending the people who want to be offended. Otherwise, don't look at it.
I don't think it's that we want to be offended. We worship that God, or respect that prophet, or love that person or that book or whatever. And we feel hurt because we have a deep affection for whoever we're talking about, whether it's God, whether it's prophet, whatever. We have love and affection for them the way we have love and affection for our parents, for example, our children. I would not be able to tolerate.
But your children and your parents exist. Lots of people don't believe God exists. So for lots of people the Jew is out, for lots of people the Jew is in, for lots of people there isn't a Jew. Your family exists.
Yes. Well, number one for us, God and the prophets are real. So it's not as if this is something big.
For all people they are.
Yes, but we cannot go through life saying what we like and what we like. We have to show respect and courtesy to people around us. That's the whole point. That's what makes us human beings. But we know how to survive around people. And that our job is not to say what we like, regardless of the other person, as long as that makes my money for my dreams. And so, I'll tell you, the Citizen Farm on the BBC, program.
Life of Brian, Jesus was a prophet called Life of Brian.
I did not find that funny. I actually found that quite offensive. I think that's a lot of the
Shouldn't we be more careful to offend people of sincere faith like Kola who choose to sleep?
The American journalist H.L. Mencken once said that one should respect the other man's religion and the marriage respect him that his wife is beautiful and his children are intelligent. And Cola's absolutely right. In everyday life,